Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. But before we begin, promote ko lang ang inyong Scorpio bracelet. So this is for alignment of Scorpio energies. Meron tong smoky quartz, black obsidian, at citrine. So available ito sa aking shop sa Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's begin, Scorpio. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And just a reminder, gawin lamang itong gabay, okay? Let's see, Scorpio, ano yung energy ninyo for this week? Wow, may fulfillment. Merong wish na natupad. Masaya kayo. Yung iba celebratory. No. Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong mga hinihintay na bisita. Pagsasalo-salo, may darating na bisita. Let's see the challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Scorpio? Ooh, Seven of Swords. Someone is doing things behind your back. Parang may pwedeng kalokohan to. So, clarify natin yan later on. Ano yung opportunities ng mga Scorpio? Oops. Ano to? Opportunity to mend a broken heart. Aha. So, siguro meron kayong expectation sa isang tao na dinisappoint kayo. Hindi niya na ibigay yung ina-expect mo sa kanya. Ano tong blessing? Ano yung blessing? King of Cups. The blessing is love. The blessing is taking care of yourself, loving yourself. And maaring yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng blessing in disguise to na nalaman nyo yung tungkol sa taong to na hindi naging totoo sa inyo. Parang niloko kayo, ganyan. What is the Nine of Cups? Two of Swords. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pinapakita na parang on the outside, you're happy, you're good, but deep within you, there is a difficult situation na dinideal ninyo, no? You are making a decision. Parang yung iba pretending to be tough. Pretending na you are good on the outside, parang you're okay, you're fine, you're doing well, but on the inside, you're broken. You have the Temperance card. Yung iba parang gusto nyo pang bigyan ng chance ng person na to eh. Pero I think yung iba, sinubukan nyo tong bigyan na ng chance sa maraming beses. That's why it is breaking your heart right now dahil feeling nyo na abuse kayo. What is the Three of Swords? Eight of Cups. Oh. You have the opportunity to walk away from this situation. If this person di ka pinapahalagahan, parang alam mo na, walang pakialam sa nararamdaman mo, at lagi ka na lang sinasaktan in all aspects, then maybe this is the time for you to leave the situation. May opportunity ka to walk away, to go to a different direction. With the King of Cups, I think there is someone na para sa'yo na kung saan dun ka mas magiging masaya. And the blessing sa'yo is you will be more fulfilled kung mas bibigyan mo ng attention yung trabaho mo, yung career mo, or kung saan ka mas productive. Let's see, speaking of career, money, career. Yung iba naman dito, pwedeng hindi naman to romantic situation. Oo, pwede tong sa situation nyo sa trabaho ninyo na you've been expecting a lot from your boss, or maaring you are expecting na may increase ng sweldo mo, or merong promotion na ipinangako sa'yo pero hindi pa rin naibigay. Meron kang opportunity na umalis sa trabaho na yan kung hindi ka na talaga masaya. Consistency is the key. Yung iba sa inyo, you are very talented. Marami ka pang pwedeng explore sa iyong galing, sa iyong abilidad, sa iyong mga talento, God-given gifts na pwede mong subukan. Maaring dyan ka mas magiging successful. Yes, with the Page of Wands. Taking action, learning more about it, and taking a risk. Yung iba kasi natatakot, no? Lalo na kung matagal na kayong nagtatrabaho sa isang kumpanya, stable yon. Alam mo, wala ka masyadong iniisip, papasok ka lang sa trabaho, and then you will deal with the work, and then go home. Hindi ganun ka-complicated. Kaya, yung iba, medyo takot sa pag-negosyo or pagiging self-employed. But it seems na meron kayong talents na pwede nyo talagang i-monetize, pwede nyo pagkakitaan. Sa relationship naman, open-minded. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo merong issue sa mga paniniwala sa family. Yung iba, you may be in a family na masyadong stricto, masyadong conservative, na nakakaapekto sa relationship mo. Some of you, maraming nakaasa sa inyo na family members. Oo. Na kayo talaga yung parang breadwinner, kayo yung nagbibigay ng income sa family. Kaya yung iba, pinakikialaman talaga kayo ng family ninyo kasi iniisip nila, ayaw nila na masaktan ka, ayaw nila na mahirapan ka kasi 'di ba pag broken hearted ang isang tao, hindi siya ganun ka-functional. Oo. So, syempre pag ganun, yung productivity maaapektuhan. Yung iba naman sa inyo rito, this can be a relationship with your boss. Pwedeng meron kang certain, it's like a deep friendship with your boss na parang tinuturing mo ng family. And you are expecting na something will grow from that relationship. Optimism. If you're going to make up stories in your head about people and circumstances, please make them love stories with happy endings. Okay. Being positive, no, sa pananaw sa buhay, na yes, i-acknowledge natin yung mga challenges, yung mga problema, at least we are aware of that, but we also have to see the brighter side, no. Oo, na kahit may mga challenges, we have to remain optimistic na maayos din yun, no. Makaka-recover ka rin from any heartbreaks, painful situation sa buhay mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.